Is everybody in the main window?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so team Brinda, you have to tell me what are all the problems your team is spotting on. Out of the 15, which are all the 5 problems you are concentrating?
So can you hear me, sir?
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, sir, actually we have chosen some problems, sir. First one is we chosen. Sir, did I want to tell the number alone, sir, or I have to explain with the problem, sir? Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Say the problem. How would I know if you are saying the number? What kind of question is this?
Sorry, sir.
Common sense is what you're using. Say the problem.
Sorry, sir. I'm really sorry, sir.
It's okay. The problems.
Sir, our first problem is second problem, sir, that 95 students they have no physical ability, sir. So our next problem is fifth one, sir, that is 35 depressed people, sir. So and our next problem is sixth one, sir, that is 25 people who have got stuck with heavy fear of failure, sir. Next problem is 10th one, sir, that is 15 young girls who wanted to start their business in other foreign countries, sir. And our next problem is 12th one, sir, that is 35 farmers who have always been like they always been under they didn't understand the Indian cultivation, so they wanted to go to the foreign and they have to cultivate some new crops, sir. These are all the problems we have selected, sir.
So totally 5 problems, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Guru Prasanna, tell yours.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, we took 6 problems, sir. Sir, Dakshinana will explain that, sir.
No, you explain. I asked you to explain. Did I call Dakshin now? You are the leader, you have to explain.
Yes, sir. I'll explain, sir. Sir, 25 government officers with memory loss, sir.
Okay.
And college students who want to be scouts, sir. 35
Right.
depressed youngsters, sir. 95 school
Okay.
students who have lost physical abilities, sir.
Right.
And 40 people who are confused, sir.
Fine. Okay. Sibi Adityan.
Sir, I will took the 6th one also.
Yeah, what is the 6th one?
Just a minute, sir. I will just-
8 hostages, sir. That problem.
Yes, sir. 8 hostages who are being labeled as sailors.
Right. Sibi. Were you able to understand what was going on? If you are understanding, can you tell me something?
Sir, presentation, sir. Then we doing the I'm a specialist of the handling the overconfidence. That like I'm a handle, sir.
Okay, so they have given you a role to play. That is, you will be dealing with the portfolio of the people who have lost confidence, right? Okay. Vishnupriya,
Yes, sir.
how much time is left for you?
Sir, 5 minutes, sir.
Yeah, so you can explain the answer for the question and you can leave. So you have been taking about 46 minutes for the content preparation, and Mitra told me that your captain Brinda is making a presentation. There in the other team, I was seeing Kalpita making the presentation. So is there a specific approach you people have planned to make this as a presentation?
Yes,
If
sir.
so, if yes, can you explain the approach?
Yes, sir. So we thought of including everyone's ideas, sir, and we thought of including some extra information about, like researching something about the solutions that we are going to give, and we will all add it in the PPT, sir, so that it would be better understanding for everyone, sir. So we thought like that, and for that we are going to make a PPT, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I add one, sir? Sir, the first thing is the state that we are representing is Assam, sir. So the professions that we have decided is related to science, sir, like scientists, then physicists, then motivational speakers, sir. So I thought we are a committee of members, like a board of members, sir. So as you might know, Assam is a dense, it has a dense forest, sir, and even if some corrupt practices and illegal practices have its there, many of the people won't be knowing about it, sir. So we as a board of members, sir, we are setting up, we have set up office there, sir. So and we are taking care of correct people, sir, how we are going to correct them, sir, and that's why the Indian government has recruited us, sir. So what we have decided is we are making it really convenient for Brindaka to prepare the PPT, sir. As she's preparing the PPT in phone, sir, what we have decided is each one would give their ideas, sir, in a set of things, sir. What we have,
When is all that going to happen?
Sir, today night, sir. From how we will have a date, right? 17 bar 6 bar 2021, sir. Instead of that, 17 bar 6 bar 1929, sir. So that the vault of ideas, you told the vault of ideology, sir. So from there we have got some books where it was the date when the idea was established, and each one is going to give set of solutions for all the problems, sir. So
Okay.
that's what we have decided.
Right, that's a pretty good approach. I really appreciate that.
Thank you, sir.
From Team Brinda, Sanjay Bhaskar. Sanjay. Okay, Ritan.
Yes, sir.
What is your, anyhow, both the teams are going to make the presentation only tomorrow. So, what is going to be your contribution or streamlined contribution that you would like to hand in this? Can you explain?
Sir, you're asking my contribution to the team, sir.
Yes.
Sir, so my contribution to the team is, sir, I have given 3 ideas, sir, for the team, sir, and at the last, everyone was asking the solution for a particular idea, sir, or a few ideas for their own self, sir. So I answer a idea, sir, which I gave the 12th one, sir. So that is farmer, sir. So I picked the idea from your idea pad, sir. 27th idea, sir, which was actually recording a video from a seed growing up to a tree, sir. So in my farm, sir, after this COVID completes, I'm able to go to the farm, sir, and I'm have to record it, sir. So and I actually applied this to this 12th idea, sir, which was showing them the video of seed growing to a tree, sir. So with seeing that every farmer is
1930. It's 1930. We don't have the scope of such videography advancements during that time.
sir, some sort of recording should be there, sir, at that time, sir. So it was like World War time, sir. So someone or anyone could have, sir, in the whole India, at least one person could have, sir. So we could easily convince them, sir, because it's farmers, sir. So without farmers at that time, with that farmers time. Without farmers, it's nothing at that time, sir. So it is easy to convince people. So we could get something device which we can record, sir. So with that, we could just show the farmers, and at that time, farmers are really under the agriculture, sir. So if we are showing them, sir, they will be able to easily recognize their past and how they were happily in that past, sir, so they could get the catch of India is very important, sir. So and they'll be staying in India, sir, and we could recover them from the kidnapped person, sir. This is my contribution to the team, sir.
Right.
Great contribution.
That's a very good view. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Now, switching
Excuse
back
me, sir.
to yes.
May I leave, sir?
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So see you tomorrow. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Keep shining.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, everyone. Keep shining strong.
Bye.
Bye, Vishnu.
Bye,
Bye,
Priya.
Priya.
Great system.
Bye, Ka. See you tomorrow.
Dakshin Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
So, did you have any kind of new set of ideas that during your team discussion in the span of 45 minutes, which you would like to highlight about?
Yes, sir. Sir, we together planned upon a certain way of approach, sir. Like we have formed as each and everyone wanted to be a psychiatrist. Yes, sir.
One moment. Now, Vishnu Priya indicated the approach related question I'm going to ask Mridu Bhashni. So,
Okay.
save the approach, but you please give me the flashing of ideas that you got from people like Mridu Bhashni or Aswathaman or Kalpita. So, why don't you be an idea reporter?
Yes, sir. Ideas, sir. Sir, like before saying that, I can like if I say the theme which we are doing, then it will be better to understand our each and everyone's ideas, sir. Sir, so we are
Yeah.
doing a thing like everyone wanted. First, I asked everyone to choose an occupation, sir. And coincidentally, most of us wanted to be psychiatrists, sir. Wanted to get involved in the field of psychology. So we established a psychological union, sir. And we are from Mumbai. So Mumbai Psychology Union, that's what we established. And each and every one gave their specialization, sir. Kalpita said that she specializes in behavior analysis and motivational talk. I said that I'm good. I specialize in influencing people and like getting closer to them and filtering the outside news and not letting people getting affected. Like I can make people live inside a separate shell. And Ashwathaman said that he can do hypnosis and control mind. And similarly, each one came up with an idea. So Sibi said that he could deal with people who are not respecting the authority, like who are rude and who don't gel with each other. Sibi can make them come together. That's what he said, sir. And like similarly, each one gave their own specialization and their experience, sir. And clubbing all that together, we chose 6 problems in which each and every person is going to give a set of solutions, sir. And we have 5 minutes of like silence, sir, where we were supposed to like see the problems and note down our solutions, think of more ideas, sir, so that we have time to think about solutions. We could have figured out more solutions, but since the presentation is tomorrow, I believe we'll have much ample time to figure out more solutions and put them in the idea pads. That's what we did.
Okay. Fine. That's a good approach. Thank you for updating on that. Now, Aswathaman.
Yes, sir.
So the experts themselves have the share of the problem. They have their own way of handling the cognitive imbalance that they have been given by the scientists. Dakshin Siddharth just mentioned that you have got your own clinical way of approach of taking the troubleshooting as a main spear. But my question is, these 6 members have got their own problems which are not dealt with thus far. So what is your team strategy to execute upon all the ideas that you have prepared? And how are you going to make sure it is executed besides having the psychological problems or the inabilities that you have? உங்ககிட்ட inabilities வச்சுக்கிட்டு இத்தனை விஷயத்தை how are you going to make it possible and what is your team strategy on that note?
Okay, sir. Sir, first the occupation, sir. Almost all of our
Louder.
sir, almost all of our occupations are regarding these, sir. And our problems that we have taken is regarding these, sir, with including these, so that we can easily handle them, sir. And some of the skills also we have taken in the same way, sir. And for the idea pad, and for executing our idea pad, sir, it's also I have also given my idea. I also given my idea to take the problems that are that are regarding to my so that I can write ideas that regards to my daily life, sir. Like
Okay.
that, everyone has taken decisions regarding the problems of ourselves, sir. This.
Right, that's a good one. Mridubhashini, can you explain how your team is going to make a presentation tomorrow? What's the basic approach? Yes, Dakshin touched upon the approach of your team. What's your team's main approach tomorrow?
As Dakshin mentioned, sir, we are all in are a group of people who is in psychology field, sir. So we decided to give each and every person have to give a solution for each and every problem, sir, and they have to give some solutions for their problems as well, sir.
Okay. Arpita,
Sir,
so how many ideas do you think your team members have spotted on during the span of this 45 minutes of your discussion?
sir,
From
on
their
an
idea,
average, okay, sir.
from their idea pad, Arpita, from their idea pad.
Okay, sir. Sir, from their idea part, only few have said the idea. Sir, what we have planned that is on the spot in their presentation, they could link it with their idea pad, sir. So, on that spot itself, we'll know how we did not help each other, sir, because that was their idea pad and we had no chance of seeing all those, sir. So if the problem is given to them, 6 problems, sir. So each person is supposed to give 5 ideas from their idea pad, sir. For each and every problem, if at least we give one solution from the idea pad, it is definitely going to be covering all the criteria that you have mentioned, sir. So thus far, only Ashwataman have said about his idea pad, sir. Tomorrow on the presentation, on the spot itself, we'll make them, sir.
Okay, right. And in your team, the same question that I asked to Kalpita.
Okay, sir.
How many ideas did you receive from the idea pad?
Okay, sir. Sir, we actually had common solutions, sir. We did not discuss much solutions from our idea pad, sir. But the oath or the thing that we made sure with each other was today night, sir, we are going to involve all the idea from our idea pad and send it to Brindaka and the subgroup, sir. That's the only thing, sir. And in the discussion about average by 5 ideas must be involved, sir. From Ritan Nitish, from my part, and I have marked some of the areas that could be suitable for the problems now when we were asking questions, sir. So I think that would be sufficient and we'll let you know very well, sir.
Okay, so we are coming to the closing time. You have spent quantable time in your team discussion. Allotted time was 30 minutes, but you took 16 minutes extra, so 46 minutes by both the teams. So tomorrow, once the clock is ticking 5, we are getting into it, we are having our promise, and instantaneously we are starting our presentation. So no more team discussions will be given. Yes, Dakshin.
Sir, I have 2 doubts, sir. One, can we start a WhatsApp group, sir?
You can start, but once if it is over, you have to get out of it.
Yes, sir. And my second doubt is, can we have a discussion before coming to class, sir? Like at 4:15 or so?
Yeah, you will have to. You'll have to because you have things to be decided. So the session's 2 hours should be neatly spent towards the presentation only, so that we will have fresh hands on Monday for starting a new activity.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Guru Prasanna.
Yes, sir. Sir, can we write the idea in our idea pad which are related to the problem, sir?
Absolutely. Whatever ideas that are coming, you shall write that in the idea pad. And I am going to introduce one more system. Please don't misunderstand that I am bunching you with a lot of work. I'm just making your life a more enjoyable oasis to live on.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to introduce journal writing. Does anyone have a problem on that?
No, sir. Very excited, sir.
Not at all, sir. It sounds very interesting.
No, sir.
No,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, now that people like Mridubhashini, Kalpita, Vishnupriya have bought their they already have their idea pads and Mitra has an idea pad. So journal தனியா நீங்க spend பண்ண வேண்டாம். Even a pocket sized journal should be fine. So I want you to have a journal, something of similar to mine. On the journal there are some 5 or 6 things that I need to teach. So as Guru Prasanna asked, there is no scarcity in ideas. So if you have got ideas, please register that in the idea.
Okay, sir.
No problem. Yeah, coming back. Kalpita.
Sir, how much time duration will be given for the presentation, sir?
In my opinion, Team Guru Prasanna is targeting 6 problems and Team Brinda is targeting 5 problems. So we will have 25 minutes of presentation for a team with an extension of 5 minutes. So in 30 minutes time, you will have to wrap up. It's going to be on a skit basis. So skit basis now I will figure out and you will be answering. 30 minutes of it total or 32 minutes of 5:05 we start by 5:45 Team Guru Prasanna will finish, and then by 6:25 or so Team Brinda will finish. 6:20. Then we will have a wonderful about 30-40 minutes time for our culmination and discussion. That's a plan.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
How much time do you think, Kalpita, is needed with the scope of the preparation that you had today?
Sir, I initially thought of 30 minutes, sir. You yourself gave 30 minutes, sir.
Yeah, I think half an hour is a real valid thing. ஏன்னா இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டியில நீங்க எல்லாரும் நிறைய பேச it will be more intriguing and at the same time it will be more stimulating. Another 30 minutes. Team Brinda, what do you think? 30 minutes is sufficient for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. All right. Yeah, you had a question.
Sir, 2 small questions, sir. First, sir, today you told that at the end of the session, sir, like the last 30 minutes, sir, you told we are going to have a sequence, sir. Will that be happening tomorrow, sir?
Yeah, that's the first 5 or 6 minutes will be spent in the sequence.
Okay, sir.
Ungala aircraft anupura mari. That's the only sequence where Atreya will be speaking to you. I am Atreya, I will be speaking to you. And towards the end, you will have to give a solution what kind of penalty or what kind of treatment you are suggesting to Atreya, such a national traitor. Possibly, நீங்க உங்க 6 missions முடிச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா மட்டும்தான். Please understand, mission failure, mission success அப்படி நான் சொல்லுவேன். நீங்க சொல்ற ஐடியாவை பொறுத்துதான். Please understand, mission failure அப்படின்னா நான் frankly உங்ககிட்ட சொல்லிடுறேன் as an administrator. So make all the 5 as mission success. Mission failure அப்படின்னா அது உங்களோட mistake, உங்க team members ஓட mistake. That mission failure can happen because of any reason. A lack of team person's participation and idea being very vague and namesake chumma edho onu solnom அப்படின்ற மாதிரிலாம் இருந்துச்சுன்னா I'll call it as mission failure. So there are 11 problems that are dealt with by 2 teams. Make all the 11 as mission success.
Okay, sir.
Any others?
Sir, is journal writing similar to diary keeping, sir?
No. Diary is a different stuff. I would like all you people to listen to Jim Rohn's journal writing. I'll send the YouTube link shortly in the group. Diary அப்படிங்கிறது சும்மா நீ கதறிட்டு இன்னைக்கு நான் லாலிபாப் கேட்டேன் எங்க அப்பா வாங்கி தரல எனக்கு ரொம்ப அழுகு வருது அதெல்லாம் கூட நீ டைரி எழுது. Journal writing is an art. It's an art. அதாவது they say you either capture the living or living the capture. Capture while living or living while capture. So journal writing is capturing while living. Let's say for example, if there is the journal by Balaji and he attends a kind of a bank examination class and he received an appreciation. In the book idea pad in the book journal he picks the journal and he writes 18th June 2020, time 6:45 p.m. occasion bank examination class. இன்னைக்கு நான் இந்த appreciation வாங்குனேன். இந்த appreciation வாங்குனப்ப நான் இப்படி ஃபீல் பண்ணேன் அப்படின்ற ஒரு 4 லைன் he registers. Please don't jump into online journal. Sir, super online journal இருக்கு சார். அதோட லாக் கீயோட கொடுப்பாங்க சார். நான் சிஸ்டம்ல பண்ணிக்கிறேன் சார், போன்ல பண்ணிக்கிறேன் சார். My food, hell with that. Nothing beats classics. Nothing beats writing down and using these limbs. When your limb is moving, your brain is getting, not while doing this, not while doing this. So So about 7 months later or 9 months later, he looks into it. That Balaji has got green color pen for accomplishments and appreciations, red color pen for some negative emotions he felt and how did he overcome, blue color ink for, say, his goals, and there is an idea pad. So that's the journal writing mechanism. Have one journal and have multi-colors of pens and tick on one particular trait for one particular color, like blue for goal, green for accomplishments, black for my self-appreciation of success mechanism. Now, ஒரு 6 ரூல் வச்சிருக்கேன். அந்த 6 ரூல் நான் PPT-ல காமிக்கிறேன். அதுக்குன்னு ஒரு வீடியோவே நான் ரெடி பண்ணேன் 2016. So 5 years later, today Mitra took the snapshot of it and I'm going to show that tomorrow. So one journal and 6 pens or 5 pens will be really interesting. அப்போ ஐடியாவுக்கு ஐடியா பேட், ஆக்சுவலாக ஜேர்னல் ரைட்டிங்லேயே ஒரு ஐடியா செக்ஷனில் வருது. பட் ஐடியா பேட் நான் தனியாக போடுறதுக்கு மெயின் காரணம், தட்ஸ் யோர் பிரெயின் சில்ட்ரன். அந்த ஐடியாவில் இருக்க ஐடியா பேட்ல இருக்கிற ஐடியாஸ் எல்லாம் உங்களுடைய பிரெயின் சில்ட்ரன், ரைட்? ஸோ இந்த பக்கம் ஜேர்னல் இருக்கிறது அப்படிங்கிறது உங்களுடைய எண்ணங்கள், உங்களுடைய லட்சியங்கள், உங்கள் பிரதிபலிப்புகள், ஒரு நிமிஷத்துல நீ எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்ண அப்படின்ட்டு அதையெல்லாம் கலெக்ஷனா வச்சுக்கிறதுங்கிறது உன்னுடைய உரிமை. ஒரு 10 மாசம் கழிச்சு ஜூன் மாசம் இப்ப அக்டோபர்ல ஜூன்ல என்ன நடந்ததுன்னு திருப்பி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவ்வளவு சந்தோஷமா இருக்கும். சே, அப்ப ஏதோ ஒரு பிரச்சனை இருக்கு உனக்கு, அந்த பிரச்சனை மாதிரி ஒரு பிரச்சனையை ஜூன் மாசம் நீ சால்வ் பண்ணிருக்க, உனக்கு ஜேர்னல் எடுத்து கையில கொடுக்கும். டேய், இது ஏற்கனவே பார்த்துருக்கடா, ஜூன் மாசம் எங்கிட்ட நீ எழுதுனடா, இதை இந்தடா இந்த சொல்யூஷனை யூஸ் பண்ற கிறுக்கு பயிலன்ட்டு அதை உங்களுக்கு கையில எடுத்து கொடுக்கும் அக்டோபர்ல. ஆனா ஆமா இல்ல அப்படின்னு நீ லூஸ் மாதிரி அதுக்கப்புறம் ஈன்னு பல கடிக்கு வந்துட்டு அப்புறம் நீ பண்ணுவ. Oh, that to happen in your life. மற்றவங்க எல்லாரும் MS ஈவினிங் செஷன்ஸுக்கு வராதவங்க எல்லாரும் they are living their life. நீங்க you are creating your lives. அது ஒண்ணுதான் உங்களுக்கும் அவங்களுக்கும் வித்தியாசம். I want you to be creators of your lives. Life is better process. I will take life as it comes. அப்படிலாம் கிடையாது. Taking life as it comes எல்லாம் வாழ முடியாது. என்னுடைய ஒவ்வொரு செகண்டையும், என்னுடைய ஒவ்வொரு மினிட்டையும் நான் தான் ஷேப் பண்ணணும். Because this is my life. ஒரு 700 ரூபா சட்டையை கூட வந்துக்கிட்டு 7 மணி நேரம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணி ஒவ்வொன்றா போட்டு செலக்ட் பண்றீங்க. பட் லைஃப் எப்படி வாழணும்? நீங்க live life on your terms. யோசிச்சு பாருங்க, நீங்க you are ready for the next generation. You are a next gen student. ஒரு தெரபி ஜேர்னல் கையில வச்சிருக்க, ஒரு ஐடியா பேட் கையில வச்சிருக்க, ஒரு லைஃப் ஜேர்னல் கையில வச்சிருக்க, டெய்லி தெரபிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க. குருகுலம்ல கூட இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் நீ பார்க்க முடியாது. அப்படி ஒரு எமர்ஜ்ல நீ வர. ஸோ அதுக்கு கடைசியா இருக்கிற ஒரு விஷயம் அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன், இன்னும் நிறைய இந்த மாதிரி நான் நிறைய கொண்டு வருவேன். ஜேர்னல் அப்படிங்கிறது உங்க ஐடியா பேட் ஜேர்னலும், உங்களுடைய லைஃப் ஜேர்னலும், உங்களுடைய தெரபி ஜேர்னலும் உங்க ஒர்க் ஸ்பேஸ்ல உங்க கண்ணு முன்னாடியே இருக்கும்.
Yes, sir.
Sir, when are you going to explain about this, sir?
Tomorrow, Kalpita. Tomorrow, once you finish, after 30 minutes of your presentation, immediately I am going to give journal writing. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு தெரப்பி இருக்கு. அந்த தெரப்பிக்கு பேரு அவுட் ஆஃப் த சிஸ்டம் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். தெரப்பி அல்லது அது ஒவ்வொரு மோமெண்ட்லையும் நீங்க பண்றது அவுட் ஆஃப் த பாடி எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் தான் அதுக்கு பேரு. ஆனா இன்னைக்கு நான் சொன்னேன் அப்படின்னம்னா இவனுங்கெல்லாம் ஏதாவது படத்தை பத்தி யோசிப்பாங்க. அதனால நான் அவுட் ஆஃப் த சிஸ்டம் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் அதை மாற்றி தொலைச்சு, பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் திஸ் bloody idea stealing by the city industry. So இது ரெண்டையும் நாளைக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன், so that Sunday you can try. So to answer your question, Kalpita, it's tomorrow.
Really excited, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, we spoke about it in Sports Just That movie, sir.
Movie இருந்ததுன்னா I would not have spoken, I would have scolded.
Yes, sir, you scolded, sir. That's what, sir.
Yeah, happy that Mitra, Kalpita and other people are excited about the journal writing. I'll make sure it is a fine stock of a presentation and you will enjoy it.
Yes, sir.
Journal writing is என்ன சொல்றது, undescribable. நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். Yes, Aswatthama.
Sir, for the journal writing, sir, we can use our idea pad itself, or can we need another book, sir?
கொஞ்சம் காசு செலவு பண்ண முடியுமான்னு பாரு.
Okay,
கொஞ்சம்
sir.
காசு பாரு. என்னோட ஜேர்னல். அதாவது ஜேர்னல் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து அது வந்து நீ ரொம்ப ரசிச்சு சாப்பிட்ற டிஷ் மாதிரி இருக்கணும். ஸோ இது வந்து எனக்கு கிஃப்ட் பண்ணாங்க. தக்ஷனோட அம்மாவும் எனக்கு இது கிஃப்ட் பண்ணாங்க. இது வந்து கம்ப்ளீட்டா வந்துட்டு ஏதோ ஆன்சியன்ட் கிரிப்டோ ரைட்டிங் மாதிரி இருக்கும். கம்ப்ளீட் லெதர் இது. ஸோ சாவி, இந்த சாவி வந்து என்ன இண்டிகேட்னா வீட்டில் இருக்கிற யாரும் இதை தொட மாட்டாங்க, இன்க்ளூடிங் மித்ரா. இது தக்ஷனோட அம்மாவை பிரசன்ட் பண்ணது, இது வேதவர்ஷன் எனக்கு பிரசன்ட் பண்ணது. ஸோ தீஸ் டூ ஆர் வெரி வேல்யூபிள். இது ரெண்டுமே வச்சுதான் இதுல தான் ஜேர்னல். மித்ரா கூட இதுல என்ன எழுதிருக்குன்னு பார்க்க மாட்டேன். ஐடியா பேட் அப்படிங்கிறது எனக்கு ஐடியா பேட் ஒன்று இல்லை, எனக்கு ஐடியா பேட் இதுதான் ஐடியா பேட். பட் திஸ் இஸ் மை ஜேர்னல். ஸோ கொஞ்சம் ஏதாவது காசு செலவு பண்ண முடியுமான்னு பாரு. நீ எனக்கு கொடுக்குற ஃபீஸ்ல கூட டிடக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோ, எனக்கு நீ காசு தர வேண்டாம், அந்த காசுல நீ ஜேர்னல் கூட வாங்கிக்கோ. பட் ஜேர்னல் தனியா இல்லாம வைக்கிற. இட் ஹேஸ் டு பி a different one.
Okay, sir.
இது எம்எஸ் யூனிக் செஷனுடைய கான்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் மாதிரி அப்படின்னு இது வளரிட்டு இருக்குது. பட் திஸ் இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி a golden object. This is my journal. நான் சாப்பிட்றனோ இல்லையே டெய்லியில் என்ட்ரி இருக்கும். Any other questions, boys and girls?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right. Okay.
No, sir.
Fine. Right. So, Mridubashni. Mridubashni.
Yes, sir.
So you have bought that idea pad. That's a real good-looking idea pad. So what you can do is, instead of spending more money, first section la irundha idea pad vechukko, last section la irundha journal vechukko. Appadi nee maati kuda eludikko.
Okay, sir.
ஏன்னா இதுக்கு மேல இல்ல உன்னால ஏதாவது ஒரு ஜேர்னலுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன டைரி மாதிரி ஏதாவது இருக்க முடியுமான்னு பாரு. சர்ச், வீட்ல சர்ச் பண்ணுங்க. பழைய டைரி ஏதாவது இருந்துச்சுன்னா எடுத்து கஸ்டமைஸ் பண்ணிக்கோ. And for Mitra, I am giving that idea pad, the common idea pad that you had been writing. That's her journal. Or cricket bat is பதிலா நீ journal தான் வாங்குறது.
cricket bat வந்து sports start இருக்கு.
சரி, அப்ப நீ journal வாங்கி. Right. Tomorrow is the interception presentation and journal writing tutorial. So, in that case, Mitra, Aswathaman. Thank you. In that case, Mitra, Aswathaman, Balaji, Brinda, Sibi Ayatan, Dakshin, Guru Prasanna, Kalpita, Mridubashni, Ritan Nitesh, Sanjay Bhaskar, who has left. Keep shining, live strong. Bye-bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Bye,
Bye, sir. Bye,
everyone.
sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, friends.
Bye, sir. Bye, everyone. Keep shining, live strong.
Keep shining strong. Bye.
Bye, sir.